Hi, my name is Jason Manguba, and we're here at the E4 Experience in Dallas. Here in our booth, we are showcasing our DirectView LED, or dvLED. What you see over here is a small 2x2 display panels where we have four 27-inch panels, and each panel is equipped with 4 modules. This is a 1.2 millimeter pixel pitch, and basically what you're seeing here is our DirectView LED. We're made for permanent installs, indoor displays, and fixed installs. So think outside the box. Don't think of just your regular 16:9 ratios. You could actually use any kind of custom size over here, whether large or small. As far as content goes, you could put video or any kind of content, but think outside the box and use anamorphic 3D to really get your image and your content out there to really grasp that audience and grasp that experience. So for more information, please go to our website at ppds.com.